Hi, how are you? How are you? Right now we're gonna take all this stuff off. Immediately. See? Check this out. Oh my goodness. Got the snow crab. Snow crab. Drip. See? Very nice. And then scallops cooking. Scallops cooking. See? I just turned them off. See, let's get this. Some more crabs. Oh man, they so dripping with bay seasoning and lemon pepper seasoning and all kinds of seasoning and salt. See this? Perfect. Now we're gonna take scallops. Scallops, I didn't put much spices on it. See scallops? I just put a little bit salt and this seasoning, complete seasoning. See, complete seasoning, I put some on that. Yeah, it should be good, you know. We wish you guys, everybody, the best, you know. And because we like seafood, you know, kind of supposed to be healthy, we hope. So we show you guys, show you. And this happy 4th of July. Yeah. Thank you for watching our channel. This is Seafood Extravaganza. See, crab and more. This is scallops. Scallops, they are delicious in coconut oil. We cook them in coconut oil. Should be very nice. Chuck, Julie, come here. Julie, come here. My dog, she gonna try it. Look. Julie, come here. Julie, come here, Julie. Julie, eat it. Julie, eat. Julie, come here. Okay, see, scared, you know, I don't know why. See, basically, cooking. Very nice. See, fish, we like fish. Very nice fish. This is like fish jerky. Snow crab. And this. So check out our cooking channel, you know. We appreciate you for watching. And have a great day. Thank you so much. Peace.